Right now we're in Duluth, Minnesota. We're at the Silos Pier B Hotel, but we ate at the Silos restaurant. Waiting on home run.
Go to an art gallery.
Oh yeah.
That's right, we did want to go look at the artwork, pictures.
We can go do that. Downtown marketplace and restaurants. I think Hunter wasn't kidding. I think he wants to go to an art gallery.
Yeah.
And then to Adventure Zone.
I don't know. There's been someone. Gotta put on your shoes. They're left and right.
Okay, your mind going forward. You gotta lean forward. I'm leaning forward. I guess that's the Corps of Engineers building, huh? Y'all want to hear some bitching? Just wait.
I like the red light.
Comes all the way to Minnesota to look at a bridge.
I want to look at the structure of this bridge.
Look at the red light.
How long was that ship that passed out of here?
1,004 feet.
1004.
1,004 feet and 105 feet wide.
What was the name of it?
American Spirit.
Yes, it was. Look at the red lighthouse. Isn't
This is the inlet to the, I guess, the Duluth Harbor.
that pretty? Wow, there's
Lighthouse on one side, and another lighthouse on this side. You can see it. There's a bunch of people on the beaches down here. And believe it or not, it's cold as shit right now.
Oh, there are people on the beach with umbrellas and
That's what I
everything.
said.
Oh my gosh, they've lost their minds.
And this is Duluth, downtown.
Hunter too. Oh, he's getting a picture.
I'm busy.
He's busy. All right, now get him.
I'm getting him now.
What are we doing?
Get
We're
the
looking
three
at-
of us.
Looking in the camera,
Looking at the
Oh.
camera.
saying hi.
Saying hi.
Everybody, hi everybody.
Hi.
We're at McQuaid Small Craft Harbor. We're getting ready to walk under the tunnel to get to the other side and freeze our ass off. Oh, this is nice.
Nope.
Is it that cold?
Oh gosh.
Lake Superior. shoreline is a road that we're going to be traveling. And this is the North Shore out of Duluth. Boat ramp's nice. You can park on the other side of the street and walk under the tunnel. What?
Said move.
Recording.
I want to go swimming? I don't think so.
Wanna do
Oh,
that?
look how clear the water
Want to go
is.
swimming?
I think Dad would get in before you.
I ain't getting in
I don't know whether I'd get in. Today we went to Chippewa Falls and we're at Loopy's Bar and Grill, but they also have a kayak rental. So we're going to rent some kayaks and float the paddle down the Chippewa River. That would be the Chippewa River. They take us up, drop us in, and then we float back to here. When we get back, we can have something to eat.
Couple kayaks
3.
for under Hunter.
Yes.
All right. You want to go here, Jeannie? You just want to get them 3 green wristbands so they can get out in the water.
Let's see. Volleyball courts being used by the kids right now. Guess this is our ride, huh? Here we go. Well, we ain't gotta worry about no alligators here.
You don't realize how fast you're going until you look at the shore.
Until you look at shore.
I know we're trucking.
Get with Hunter. I'm going to try to take a picture of the 3 of us. There we go.
I about fell in just
He
trying
was
to.
trying to adjust
I was trying to adjust my seat. About rolled.
I can't believe they give you a little paddle like
I
that.
know, I know. I pulled it out and I went to do this and I was like, oh, hey, can I have a kayak paddle?
You can see how fast
It's like floating down.
current it's going.
Yeah, as far as the color of the water, it looks like it's got cypress in the water, just like the chick does, but god dang, we're rolling. You don't need a paddle.
He'll get over and get knocked out of it. And
It turned
they didn't
upside-
say put a jacket on or anything.
No, didn't check for nothing. Like, to see
Tell
if
us
you had
anything. Yeah, I said just go. Yeah, you'll go. You'll see the buoys or whatever.
Yeah, these
You
definitely.
sure you don't want this paddle?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm good with this one. I mean, with that one.
It's all right.
I can scuttle. Hit a stump and turn us over.
Oh, where? Oh yeah.
What?
They're fishing down here.
Oh, yeah. We got to get on. We got to get away. We got some fishermen got lines out down here. Well, I said fishermen's. We only got one guy fishing.
Right there.
Huh?
I keep waiting to see gators.
Yeah, I know. No, it's
I found myself looking for a gator too. I hope not. Not up here. Watch your sticks. Hey, wait a minute.
Wind feels good.
I know it. Oh, Junior, going on there now.
It looks like it.
What?
Turning you around. What do you call it when the cops do that?
He's doing a pit maneuver. That thing's gonna turn you over. That water catch the thing or flip it. Interstate 53 going north and south.
There's a big ass spider.
If that thing would have jumped in your lap, yeah. It was one of them wolf spiders. If that would have jumped, what is that? Look, look.
It's a log.
Didn't it look like something was swimming by there? Don't be messing with me, man. Kid. You tip this damn thing over. Oh, current's rolling through here. You want me to use that one? Yeah. Just pull it, get it out of the way. Get it over here if you can. Sure? If you come over here, I can hold you. All right. was cool.
Oh, that's cool. Very relaxing.
Relaxing. Ooh.
Got out in the water. You want a drink? Something at the tiki bar? Nah? Go somewhere else? All right. Yeah.
So what you guys think? Lovely time.
Just lovely.
Dude, you sound like Rick over there.
I know. So much excitement.
Rick, that was a ditch on you, son.
Yes, it was.